Hey, what's going on? It's Sean Michael Lewis. I did a video, or I don't know if I even released it yet, but anyway, we're going to start, or my team, a lot of us are going to start documenting more of our week. So it is Sunday night, and just got done. Awesome day. Skydiving with friends. Angela Goodwin, our director of digital recruitment, wanted to surprise her husband for her 40th birthday. Jumped out of a plane today. We liked it so much, we're going back to do it again. So got a little wind bearing there, but good. All good. It's a beautiful day, Oklahoma. Um, so it's Sunday night, and a lot of people. I don't show a lot of behind the scenes. I do a lot of videos where I'm talking to the camera. So this one, I kind of want to just document what I am working on tonight. So typically every Sunday night, once my daughter's in bed, I kind of start planning for the week, and a lot of times I'm catching up from emails over the weekend as well because I get hundreds of emails a week. So, but right now, a lot of people ask me, like, how do you manage time? And, one thing I get every year, it's the second year actually doing this one. It's called Ink and Vault Planner. I've talked about this before, but what I love about this is just the way it breaks down everything. So what's really cool about this is it gives you your week where you have morning, afternoon, and then nighttime. And you kind of have like these blocks like this. So what's really cool about this is you can put what you have, your appointments, things like that in those blocks, and it kind of forces you to stay within those boxes so you can't overbook yourself or overcommit. Sometimes it does get a little overwhelming, you're right in the corners. But what I really like about this is it kind of has like a quote at the beginning of every week, and this one is called "Be Present. Make others feel like the most important person in the world. When they are with you, give them your undivided attention." So this is something I think in our culture today we really struggle with because we're so busy with our cell phones and other messages coming in and other things on our mind that when we are present with somebody, and this could be in your personal life too, it's very difficult to stay focused unless you give that person the undivided attention. So I really like that today, and it kind of has like a journal right here where you can kind of start writing some things in there. What do you think about that? But the cool thing about this when you get your week started is you can write down your weekly goals. You can reflect and celebrate from last week. And then you can review your yearly goals, your monthly goals, last week's progress, and a 30-day challenge. So what's really cool about this whole process, it forces you to revisit your goals that you've already done, but it also allows you to celebrate, reflect on things that you've already accomplished so you can kind of build off of that momentum. Some weeks are not as good as others. So really enjoy that. So this week, we are working on some sales initiatives with my team. So that's kind of the number one thing that I'm going to have actually on my list for this week. And then just fine tuning a lot of different processes that we have and always making them better, getting our reporting up to date. So last week had a great week, had a new team member join our team or just started with us. So very excited about that. That's always something we celebrate. We decide to bring someone on part-time, full-time, half-time, quarter-time, whatever, because pretty much everyone that comes on our team builds a career here, and I really like that. We are on track for our yearly goals, a little behind on the monthly goals, but there's things we evaluate, and I kind of start getting in the mindset for. And then basically we're just working on my schedule for the week. Like I said, it is, what time is it? 9:30 Sunday night. A lot of people think having a business is all fun and sun to shine and like I get to go skydiving today and all that stuff. It's not that. My mind is constantly running on things you have to do from point A to B to C. It's not just A to Z, Monday through Friday. It is so much. So anyway, excited to start sharing more of this insight. Just going over some of the already scheduled meetings, making sure prep for those because a lot of times you can't just show up for a call without being properly prepared. So anyway, that's a little insight. I'm going to break into this a little more in detail every week, what's working, what's not working, but would love if you see anything that I'm doing, even as a CEO, I don't care what level you work at. I mean, you can answer telephones to running somebody else's schedule or running a business just like mine. I'd love to hear your insight because I'm always looking for things to make things more efficient. So anyway, hope you guys are having a great week. Get ready for this week. Make it count. And remember, I like that quote from this week's, I call it the mini devotional, be present. It's such a cool thing no matter what you do, even if it's something small, even if it's all the way up to running your own company. Be present, give somebody that respect and that attention. I think it really goes a long way. So hope you guys are doing well. Have a great weekend. Have a great week, already the week. So I don't even keep track of days anymore. It's work 24/7. So peace. You guys have a good one. Bye.